Welcome to the C-Suite at the Open interview series with TMX Group. Joining me today is Noah Hershcoviz. He's a director at Alkemy, a company that recently started trading on the TSX Venture under the ticker AKMY. Noah, congratulations on your listing and thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much, Omar.
So Noah, can you walk me through a brief overview of what Alkemy does?
Sure. So Alkemy is based in Israel. We are an environmental technology company. What we do is we recycle the unrecycled plastic and process it into finished plastic products. So this is what we are. Our founders are two of the main Israeli industrial fundamentals. They invested more than $20 million in the process with the vision to find this unique process and the way to tap into this vicious cycle of practically right now. The only alternative to Alkemy is to either bury or burn this specific plastic.
Amazing. And in terms of what makes Alkemy an attractive investment proposition, are you able to walk us through some of the factors that play into what makes Alkemy attractive?
Sure. So we see Alkemy as the first plastic waste mining company in the world. I'll give you a quick overview, maybe a background over the world that we are living in right now. You must know that only 9% of the plastic in the world is being recycled. This is beyond alarming. Over 90% of the annual plastic production is pure pollution that goes into our soil, the water we drink, and the air that we breathe. So each year, we are built of more plastic. Alkemy broke this vicious cycle with 3 buckets, as we like to call it. Our ability, our profitable model, and effectivity. Maybe I'll jump into discussing each one of the buckets. Our ability to go and process and manufacture plastic products out of this specific plastic waste that nobody can recycle. The business model, which is very profitable. We have the ability to recycle with more than 50% margin versus the 15% industry standard. And maybe I'll dig deeper to why is that. And the reason is because we have a negative cost of goods. This is the magic trick. The sorting, the waste management companies are practically paying us to take this specific plastic waste, which we are then manufacturing plastic products from. So this is the ability, the profitability. And the third bucket, as I mentioned, is the effectivity, our ability to do it all in one process. So you put the waste in one end and you get the finished good, the finished product in the other side. So downstreaming top tier plastic products, and we're competing with virgin materials. In Israel, we're successfully been able to take more than 75% of the market. Don't be that excited. Israel is a small market, but for us, it was a very successful POC.
Great. And finally, Noah, what made Alkemy choose the TSX Venture and the Canadian market to list? And what does that listing mean for the company?
Sure. So first of all, the usual reason for a company to go public. So we believe that the company can rapidly grow via the public market with the right access to capital, because we are aiming to grow via joint ventures and partnerships. Our ability to use our share as a currency and the access to investors, both from business side and from capital market, from financial side. This is the main reason why we chose to go public. The main reason why we chose to go public in Canada as an Israeli company is because we understand and we know that the specific appetite for Canada for mining company, and we see ourselves as the first, as I mentioned, the first ever plastic mining company, the new age environmental mining company, if you wish.
Amazing. Well, Noah, thank you again very much for joining me today. From everyone here at the Exchange, we wish you nothing but the best going forward.
Thank you very much, Omar. Thank you very much.